In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this name tag out of a 3D pen. You're going to print out the template of the letters, and then you can just start by filling in the letters using any technique that you'd like to use. You can start by tracing the outline and then filling it in with stripes. You could just trace the letters using a random pattern. It all just depends on how you want your letters to look and your own creativity on what you want to try out. You can even go around the outsides only. That gives it kind of a unique look as well. When it's time to actually make the name tag, you're going to take your letters and make sure they're backwards, and the whole word also needs to be backwards. And I like to take the background color that I'm going to use and just secure those letters and hold them right in place while you start to fill in the background. And you can see there's a couple different shapes on here that you can choose from to trace. There's even a spot down at the bottom where you can make up your own shape that you want to use for your background. If you want to turn it into a keychain, you can put a little circle on one of the ends and secure it. I've also included a clip template where you can trace that around and then reinforce it, make it a little bit thicker. You could also make a spiral around a glue stick or a chapstick to make a little bit more secure of kind of a ring that's a spiral. Might be a little bit more secure that way as well. But I hope you enjoy making your nameplates and your name tags, and just always make sure that that filament is nice and cool before you try and pull it off the paper, and have fun.